Well guys, I know this is not my normal hunting and fishing videos, but I also told you if I get something new that I would share it with you, and broke down and bought my first ever robotic vacuum cleaner. Now this is a Shark IQ robot vacuum R100 Wi-Fi connected home mapping RV1000. Bought this at Walmart during Black Friday. It was regularly $3.94. Got it on sale for $1.99. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to unbox it, and we're going to see what's in the box. And then I'm going to hook it up, and we're going to trial it. Now I've never owned one of these before, and I don't work for Shark. So what you're going to see is exactly what you get. So hey, let's unbox this thing and see what's in the box. Well, I see a quick start guide comes with it. I believe that's the vacuum cleaner itself. That's what she looks like. And I would guess this is probably the charging dock. That's some tape, so if you want to you'll block off a particular part of your house, this tape you can put, and it'll keep it from going in that area. And that looks like it's a couple of brushes. Let's hook it up and see what we got and how this thing works. It comes with a couple of brushes. What you want to do is just roll your vacuum upside down, and they just pop right into place. Then you want to find a permanent location. They recommend 3 foot on each side and 5 foot in front for the dock, and you want to put it up against the wall. When you plug it in, there'll be a green light on the side of the dock. Whenever the vacuum is in the dock, it'll turn blue, letting you know that it is charging. They recommend that you charge it for 6 hours before your initial use. Next thing I did is I went to my app store and I just searched Shark Clean, and I downloaded the Shark app. Right here's what it looks like. I won't go over a whole lot with this, but it does make it nice. Let me just open it up here. You can clean, you can schedule you know, your times you want to clean. You can also you know, map if you want to, say, just clean the living room or just clean the dining room. You can do this with the app. I will say this, it was very easily to set up. I probably did it in probably from the time I started downloading to the time I finished was probably 10 minutes or less. Once you get your app set up and your Wi-Fi turned on, you'll see this little symbol right here. Looks like the Wi-Fi symbol, letting you know that everything is hooked up and working right. Well, it looks like it's finished charging, and I'm going to give it a shot. I could go over there and punch the button on top and get it started, but I want to try the app out. So let me open this app up, and I'm just going to push the button that says clean, see what happens. And there it goes. Made some sound, and wow. Well, I could either let it finish and go back and dock itself, or I could push the button on top and let it dock, but I want to try the app and see if I can hit dock and see if it go to dock and see if it'll dock itself. So I'm going to push it on the dock. Alright, now let's see what happens. It's making a noise. And there you have it. It's back in its dock. Okay, the next thing I want to quickly show you is how to empty this. Right here on the back, you've got a little button. You just push it in. This comes out. And to empty it, you just stick your fingers in, you pinch, and that comes open, and look all the crap this thing picked up. Well guys, like I said earlier, this is my first robotic vacuum, so if you got any pointers for me, please put them down in the comments. Not only will you help me out, but you may help somebody else out too. Now, this did come with a regular owner's manual, and it come with a quick start guide. Pretty much everything I needed to know, how to set it up, how to charge it, how to set the app up, every bit was in this quick start guide. It was very easy to set up. Now, as you can see by the demonstration, I have hard floors in my house and I also have carpet. This worked equally well on both surfaces with no problems. Hey, hopefully this helped you out. If you're thinking about buying one, maybe this little demonstration is what you needed. Hey, if it is, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I will catch you later.